Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to change column position in Excel. So let's start this in my Excel, and here you can see I have a data. But in this data you can see the first column is a quantity, then second is an item, and third is a call amount. And fourth is a serial number, and fifth is a price. So here I'm going to change the position of this column. So I set the in serial number column in one position, in first positions, and after that I set the item in second, quantity in third, amount is fourth, and price is fifth. So here I just enter the number. So I want the first number here, after then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5. Okay, so simply select the entire data with this number. After that, go to the data tab. In sort and filter group, click on the sort options, and here one sort dialog box is open. Then click on the options, then click on the second option, sort left to right, click on OK. Then here in sort by, just click on this arrow, select the row number 1, and in order, click on this arrow and select the smallest to largest. Then click on OK, and that's it. Here you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Serial number, then item, then quantity, then amount, and then price. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.